Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel for your career guidance and more. I am a data scientist by profession. Based on my learning and experience, I'm gonna help you succeed in your professional journey. If you are a fresh graduate, a seasoned professional, or someone looking to make a career change, or you are tired of applying for various types of jobs, in this video I will explain a very simple method that will only a few people know about, through which you can secure your first job. In this video, we'll cover 4 simple steps that you need to know to maximize your chances of landing the dream job. So if you're ready to take your job search to the next level, stick around and watch till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about optimizing your LinkedIn profile to make a stellar first impression. Your profile is digital resume and it needs to shine. Let's start with the basics. A complete LinkedIn profile is critical. LinkedIn reports that users with complete profiles are 40 times more likely to receive job opportunities. So ensure every section in your profile is filled out. First, use a high quality professional photo. Your photo is the very first thing that people notice. Make sure it's clear, well lit and professional. Avoid casual photos or selfies. A professional approachable headshot works best. Next, your headline. This is one of the most critical part of your profile. Your headline should be compelling and reflect your career aspiration and key skills. Instead of just your job title, think about adding more detail. For example, if you are a full stack software engineer, you can add your technical skills as keywords in the headline. Also, you can add immediate joiner or actively looking for opportunities. This makes you stand out and gives a clear idea of your expertise. Next is the summary. Your summary is your elevator pitch. Write a strong keyword rich summary that highlights your unique value proposition. Use this space to tell your story and showcase your personality. Here is a good example of a summary. You should include your expertise, key achievements, what you are passionate about, and what you are looking for. Your LinkedIn summary gives a clear and compelling picture of who you are. Next is detail your job roles, responsibilities, and achievements in the experience section. Use bullet points to make it easy to read and focus on quantifiable achievements. For each role, include 3 to 5 bullet points highlighting your key responsibilities and accomplishments. Numbers and results catch the eye and give concrete evidence of your capabilities. Do not use fancy vocabulary. The purpose is to communicate your work to the masses. The simpler it is, the more people will understand it. Request recommendation from past employers or colleagues to add credibility to your profile. A recommendation is a powerful testament to your skills and work ethic. Lastly, create a custom LinkedIn URL for a more professional look. This makes it easier to share your profile and look cleaner on your resume. Simply go to your profile settings and customize your public profile URL. Ideally, it should be your first and last name. Now that your profile is optimized, let's move on to growing your connections. Building a strong network is key to unlocking new opportunities and getting noticed by recruiters and hiring managers. Let's start by understanding why growing your network connection is so important. A larger network increases your visibility on LinkedIn and provides more access to job opportunities and allows you to connect with industry leaders and peers who can offer valuable insights and support. Start by connecting with people you know. This includes colleagues, classmates, and your friends. These are your first degree connection and form the foundation of your network. Next is joining the LinkedIn groups related to your industry. These groups are great place to find like-minded professionals and engage in meaningful discussions. Engage with content on LinkedIn. Like, comment, share posts that are relevant to your industry. This helps you stay on the radar of your connections and shows that you are actively involved in your field. Now let's talk about finding HR managers, recruiters, and key decision maker in your target companies. Use LinkedIn search feature to find these profiles. Search your target company name in the search and open the company page. Fifth option will be show people in the company. Clicking on this will display a search bar where you can type any job title to find their employees. For example, if you type human resource, here all the HRs within that company will be visible in their profile below. If you notice, people have purple color ring around their profile display with hiring written on it. This means these individuals are hiring for some position within their company. Now which position are those? If we go to any profiles among these, it will be written below hiring and the position names ahead. There is a very simple way to apply here. you can directly apply on LinkedIn itself using Easy Apply. Now let's move to the next step, the third step, which is finding emails. When you reach to any recruiter or employee via direct email, the chance of getting a response are very high. Now the question is, how will you find their email ID? First option is to check your LinkedIn newsfeed. If you have a decent connection, then you will be able to see more posts of your connection. If anyone is hiring or want to give referral, then you may find their email ID in their posts. There is an easy way you can find emails effectively. Install email extractor extension in your Chrome browser. When you scroll in the LinkedIn newsfeed, email IDs will be automatically appears on the email extractor. The other option is to go to their post. Most often their email ID is found in their recent posts. If this option doesn't work for you, then another method is to use certain websites through which you can check their email ID. Like I will give you two examples. One is the hunter.ia website. Here you can go to search section and you can type the name of any company. Let's say if you type Tiger Analytics, then it will show you how their email ID look like. Similarly, any emailfinder.com is also a website where you will get the same response if you check. Make sure that on such websites only 2 or 3 searches are allowed for free. Another way is once you find out what is before .com, you can try various combinations such as career@tigeranalytics.com, HR@tigeranalytics.com, recruitment@tigeranalytics.com, or even you can use the name of the HR. Now we will check which of these email IDs are valid, for which there is a website called emailchecker.net. If I enter the email with HR@tigeranalytics.com, it gives a bad result. On the other hand, if I enter career@tigeranalytics.com, that is okay, which means the career email ID is the correct one. And in this way, you can reach out to them. The fourth step is sending an email. When you draft an email, you need to attach a resume, and secondly is the content of the email. What you write is quite important. That's why these two things are such that I will have to create a separate video altogether. Explaining everything in this short video won't be possible. Stay tuned because in the upcoming weeks I will cover these topics individually. In fact, if you want to learn how to write an email or create a resume, just comment resume or email so that I can understand which video to make first. Overall, these are the steps through which you can get that very first job offer that you are not getting right now. Thanks for watching. I truly hope that this information helps you find that job. Let me know what are your feedbacks regarding the video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Bhavesh Speaks for more tips and tricks. See you next time.